Hi everyone. Let's try to understand why do we need accounting principles. So we understood the concept of accounting principles, which is nothing but the standardized rules and guidelines which is followed by the organization for financial reporting and recording the transactions. Now, if we don't follow the accounting principles, what will happen? The companies will prepare the financial statements as per their own set of rules, and then it will be very difficult for those reconciliations to be those financials to be compared with the other company's financials, as well as between the periods, two periods. So therefore it is important to follow the standardized principles, accounting principles. Now, what are the key benefits you will be realizing while following these principles? First is the consistency. So when you record the transaction in a consistent manner from one period to another period, it is easy to compare those amounts or those balances with the same set of principles. Second is transparency. So it will give you an unbiased view of financial health of the organization, which is comparable with the other organization as well. And fraud detection. So when you follow the consistent accounting principles, you will be able to find the red flags and any fraud areas to ensure that you put appropriate controls around it and report the financial discrepancies as well. And fourth is very important, which is building the credibility. So when these accounting principles are followed, they build a credibility of the organization across the market that they are following these principles, and those financial statements would be comparable with the other organizations in the market, which will be helpful from the investor's perspective, or for any in case organization wants the bank loans, etc. That will be helpful for them to take that. So these were the key benefits of following the accounting principles. Do tune into this channel for more discussions on the accounting principle theme. Thank you so much for tuning in.